Hi Honda lovers wherever you are. Welcome back to my channel Info News. Available now, a brand new 2024-2025 Goldwing DCT trike. Only 11 miles on the trike. Featuring Roadsmith independent suspension, HTX 1800 trike kit, 3-year to 1 million mile warranty. Front fork steering kit for easy steering, reverse, 5-gallon auxiliary fuel tank, adjustable preload system, performance sway bar, custom black wheel package, wing guard running boards, weight bearing with Goldwing accent emblems, UNB Customs special add-on, brand new style powder coated black bumper with LED lights built in, custom 3-tone paint, matching the factory Honda paint scheme. Hydrographics, HydroDip / carbon fiber twill, front wheel double dip, rear wheels, 23 associated pieces, puddle lights, trailer hitch, trunk courtesy light, 5.5 cubic feet carpeted trunk, progressive adjustable rear shocks, interlock harness, positive battery post relocation kit, red LED marker light set, amber LED marker light set, brake switch block, brake pedal cover, vented caliper covers, LED rotor covers, grips, LED trunk light, twine art lighted radiator grille panels, spar trunk side lights, gold strike distribution block, strike windshield trim, universal pigtails for distribution block, tie-down brackets, front fender extension. Please support this channel so that it develops further and provides the latest information for you.